Okay, I'm going to try to make this quick, but I use a lot of words and sometimes I'm not quick. Official voting for the 2019 Live the SnoCo Life Best of SnoCo Awards starts today. And I need all of you to please go and vote for Perfectly Naughty. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, you're going to go to livethesnocolife.com, Best of SnoCo. You can see that right there. And ta-da, there's that page. Okay, and by the way, Pilot House Coffee, yeah, good stuff. They're down the street from my parents, and it's really good. So you get to vote once per device, per Wi-Fi or IP address connection. So I get to vote on my phone, on my data, and on my Wi-Fi at the shop, maybe Wi-Fi at the library, different things. I get to vote on my 2 different laptops, and so please vote early and vote often for your favorite local Snohomish County businesses. I already started my ballot when I had decided that I wanted to show you guys how to do this. The different categories this year, shops and services, there are 10 different subcategories for that. Makers, again, 10 different subcategories for that. Drinking local and eating local. Okay, so I'm going to just go through. I'm going to go through all of this and show you how the whole thing works. When you first come onto a category, we're going to do makers for a moment. It's going to look like this. And if you don't happen to know a photographer in the area and you wanted to skip over it, you can just click that little blue arrow. But in my case, I happen to know Paris Blue Photography, and I happen to like Tina Tang. She is a friend of mine, and she's awesome. So I'm going to click that, and then you have to click that blue vote button. It will calculate your vote, show you the percentage, and right now she's ahead, and then it automatically advances you to the next category where you can see that I have already voted for my friend Christina at Beautiful Naturally in Stanwood, because that's where I get some of my very best and favorite face creams, and she makes everything herself in her magical workshop with her beautiful gals, and I love her work and her heart for what she does. And so I've already done that vote. If I decided though that I wanted to change it, I could just click change my vote. And then I will advance to the next one. I did vote also for Hometown Candle Company. I am not a candle girl. I have a very difficult time with the scents that are used to make candles, but I love candles that don't have scent. Isn't that funny? Anyway, that's a whole different story. And then you just keep going through each of those categories, making sure that you click vote at the end. We're going to scooch back up here because this is the important one that I want you to see. Under shops and services, the first one that we have here is Best Antique and Vintage Shop. I voted for my friends Patty and Katie over at Rustic Redemption because they're friends of mine and I love them and I love their shop, and they always have cute stuff, and they're super sweet and they're lovely human beings. And then this is the one I want you to see, Perfectly Naughty. We are at the top of the arts and crafts shop category because we have won 3 years in a row. And I hesitate to use that word win. I mean, I have been voted, Perfectly Naughty has been voted best arts and crafts shop in the county 3 years in a row. That means a huge, huge, huge amount to me. Being able to be here in this store and give back to the community in the ways that I do through my Sailor Box project, through our blankets and sweaters and hats and things for the WIC office project, and now as co-chair for the new Where to Work women's closet. It just means a lot to me. I can't do those things if I didn't have this store, and if I couldn't have this store if I didn't have people supporting me. So please vote for Perfectly Naughty. As you can see, out of the 10 votes that have been tallied, we have 80%. That's pretty awesome. And that just makes my heart super happy. So go through each of the categories. If you don't happen to know about these businesses, this is a really great opportunity to look at the businesses that are listed and ask yourself if those are places that you want to go and visit. We are not drinkers in my household, so this is a category that's very, I'm going to be challenged to vote for any of them because we're not go out to drink kind of people, which is fine. Lots of you are, and that's awesome. That's fabulous. But I might go, oh, Bad Dog Distillery, and they're right behind my shop. They're right near me. So that's kind of fun. Maybe I want to pop over there and see what they're about. And so eateries, though, maybe I want to explore more local eateries in the county. I've heard really great things about LJ's Bistro and Bar in Lake Stevens, Bistro San Martin here in Arlington. They're right across from me. They're very good. I have not eaten there in years, but it might be worth it for me to go explore. So take a look at any of these lists and ask, maybe you do want to go and vote for them because you've heard good things, or maybe you just want to look at these and say, who do I want to go and visit? All right, so that's my plug for Snohomish County businesses. Please go vote early, vote often, and share this video with your friends. You can follow Live the SnoCo Life. You can follow her on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and YouTube. Support what she's doing because she really works so hard to support local businesses and promote them. And we, in return, like to help and support her. And that's how small businesses keep going, is when the community helps to support. So thanks so much for watching this video. I tried to keep it short, but it did run longer than I thought it would. But you're awesome for hanging with me anyway. Love you. Bye.